Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can fix microphone issue on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. First one, double check your physical connection. Before performing any troubleshoot, it is very important to double check your physical connection. Make sure that your microphone is properly connected to the system. Then only you can perform other troubleshoot. If your physical connection is perfect, then follow the next step. Second one is check your microphone setting. For that, click on window icon, then click on settings, then click on privacy, and here simply click on microphones. Make sure that you had given access to your microphone to the apps. To enable this, simply turn on this option, and also make sure that you have given access to a microphone to desktop application. For that, simply turn on this option if this option are turned off. Third one, check sound setting. Now to check sound settings, simply click on window icon, then click on settings, and here click on system. And from here select sound, and here you will find your input and output device. So we are talking about our microphone. Simply click on this output option, and here from the drop down list select your microphone. Then check your device property. Make sure the volume is 100% and make sure the microphone is not disabled. Now to test, you can simply start test, and here you can see as you speak to your microphone, you will get a volume indicator. That means your microphone is working perfectly on your system. Fourth one, install and update your audio driver. To do so, simply search for device manager. So here we have our device manager. Open this device manager. And here you will find audio input and output option. Simply extend this option, and here you will find your microphone option. Just select your microphone option, right click on it, and here you have update driver option. Simply click on update drivers, and here select search automatically for the drivers, and it will automatically install the best or the latest version of your audio driver. After doing all this troubleshoot, if your microphone doesn't work, then try to restart your computer. Still it's not working, then it may be hardware problem with your microphone, or you can simply reconnect that microphone to your computer, or you can simply connect that microphone to other system. Check whether on other system the microphone is working or not. If still it's not working, then it is definitely the hardware issue with the microphone. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.